Let us will study the different types of solids. Basically, there are solids are classified in three types: is prism, pyramid, and solids of revolutions. Now consider the first case: square prism. Square prism appears as like this one. So this is a shape of a square prism. Now we will study the different terms associated with prism. Prism have the two base. Top base and this is a bottom base. These two bases are of equal geometrical shape. As here we are considering the case of a square prism. So these two bases are square and these two bases are joined by means of a face. There are the four faces because it is a square prism. And all these faces are of equal shape. Generally they are in a rectangular shape. This face have two edges which are called as a face edge, and this base have or this base edge is connected with this face. This is called as a bottom base edge and this is called as a top base edge. Base have the four corners. Top base have four corners and bottom base have four corners. So this is the bottom base corner, this is the top base corner. And this is a important term, that is the axis. This axis is an imaginary one which passes through the center of this top base and center of this bottom base. So this is a axis which is a perpendicular to the both bases. Now consider the next case, that is a square pyramid. Let us observe the difference between these two, square prism and a square pyramid. Square pyramid have only one base. It is a square, so we are considering this as a square prism. This base have four sides which are called as a base edge. It have the four corners, so these are called as a base corners, and it have four triangular faces which are connected at the top point, which is called as a apex or a vertex. This triangular face have a side which is called as a face edge, or another name is a slant edge, and this is called as axis, the axis which passes through the apex and center of a base and which is a perpendicular to this base. So this is the axis, which is important term we are using in a problem statement. So this axis is a perpendicular to base. Now consider the next type. That is a triangular prism and a triangular pyramid. Triangular prism, this is a top base and this is a bottom base. These two bases are joined by means of this rectangular faces. These are the three rectangular faces which joins with the bases. Then this is a triangular pyramid. The triangular pyramid have one base which is a triangular in shape, so it is called as a triangular pyramid. So the triangular pyramid, this is a triangular face, this is a base edge, and this is a axis. This point is a apex. If you observe the front view of a prism and pyramid, it appears as like this one. If you observe the top view, it appears as a like this one. Top view almost the same, but only the difference between triangular pyramid is that these are edges of a triangular faces. So this is a special case of a polyhedron in which all sides are equal or faces are equal. So this is called as a cube. So this is a length, width and height is the same. Its front view and top view will appear same. In front view it shows a square, whereas in another view, that is a top view, it appears as a square. In front view it shows it's a true shape, that is a square. For the next case, that is a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron appears as like this one. It is almost similar to the triangular pyramid which already we have seen. Triangular pyramid, but only the difference between the tetrahedron and triangular pyramid is that these faces and the base in case of triangular pyramid are different. Base is an equilateral triangle, whereas the face are as isosceles triangle. In case of a tetrahedron, all faces or all base as well as a face are of equal shape. These are equilateral triangle. So this is difference between triangular pyramid and tetrahedron. Now we will consider the next type, that is a pentagonal prism. This is a pentagonal prism, of which the top base and bottom base is of a pentagon. Its front view appears as like this one, and its top view appears as like this one. Then next type is a pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid have a base as a pentagon. The front view of a pentagonal prism and pyramid will appear as like this one. Top view appears as like this one. This shows a slant edges. The next type is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. The top base and bottom base are of a circular. These are the imaginary lines. These are the imaginary lines which are drawn on the curved surface of a cylinder. So these imaginary lines are called as generators.